Good morning. It's September the 27th. This morning we're looking at all of the agricultural markets down. Taking a look at other markets, we have the energy markets up, the dollar up, precious metals are down. Stock market somewhat mixed, at least in Asia we were mixed. The big gainer in Asia was the Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong, and the biggest loser was the Nikkei in Japan. Looking at Europe, all the markets are up. The leading gainer over there is in Spain in the IBEX index. The U.S. market right now is up some. Important news overnight, the continued talk of Trump's tax plan and the feeling that that could be passed in October. That's causing some optimism in the stock market. The suggestion that the corporate tax rate could be cut to 20%. That is well received in the financial markets. Also, talk of the odds of a rate hike for Fed funds being up over 60%, placed at 60% chance of that happening in November among odds makers. And then we've got a discussion of weather in West Texas and what that might mean to the cotton market. Let's look at cotton first. Cotton is down 38 at 68.37, a high of 68.90, a low of 68.22. We're looking at over the last few days and for a few more days, pretty good rains in West Texas and cooler temperatures. We're seeing highs during this period in that part of the country in the 60s. The cotton crop is at a stage now where it could be anywhere from 30% to up to 70% open. The crop needs to finish out with dry weather and not cool weather. The crop will not finish. An already late crop becomes even later with the delays in development caused by these cool temperatures and wet conditions. That puts the odds of a frost early enough to affect yields higher. That's not good for the cotton crop. The effect on prices of cotton, it could be supportive at some point. Hard to calculate when that might be. That's something to keep your eye on. The market doesn't seem to be looking at that in any way right now. Okay, what else have we got? November soybeans down a penny and a quarter at 9.62 and a quarter, a high of 9.64 and a half, a low of 9.60. December corn down a penny and a quarter at 3.51, a high of 3.52, a low of 3.50 and a quarter. December wheat down a penny and a half at 4.52 and a quarter, high of 4.55 and a quarter, low of 4.49. The grain market is caught between good demand, especially for soybeans, and a very big crop, and that's causing this market to be volatile, just an up and down consolidating market at the moment. Crude oil up a small amount, up 2 cents right now at 51.90 for November crude. The dollar is up 46. Gold is down $10 an ounce. Silver is down 4 cents an ounce, and the S&P is up 5. Looking at the calendar for today, advanced durable goods at 7:30, EIA energy stocks at 9:30. That seems to, at recent history, the EIA energy stock seems to have an effect on the market. We oftentimes see that market move as much as a full dollar for crude oil off the number. So we'll watch that. That's it for today. For this morning, we'll talk to you later. Thank you.